Hi, today I have Samsung Tab S10 Ultra and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To add our event, we need to open calendar application and tap on day when we want to add it, maybe 80th of October. There is plus icon, and first step we can add title of our event. There we can add emoji to that if we need it, and change color about our notification to this event. There we can set in which time event starts and finish, or by the switch we can activate it will be all day event. Location of that, there we can add this event to group about what is it, about our calendar, work, house or something like that. Notification, and we can add more than one alert on notification. Repeat of that if we need. Notes to that, we can make video conference when event starts. We can add attachment to that, invite some people, and after you set all you need, press save and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.